All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about the AI builder. So if I click on build, you can see here, enhance your business with AI. So bring AI to your apps today. Start at AI Builder 3D free trial to try our premium features. So we have refine a model from your business needs, form processing, object detection, prediction, text classification, business card reader, key phrase extraction, language detection, sentiment analysis preview, and then text recognition. Okay. So you'd have to get a free trial for that. And then I'm going to do models. So with models, this is where your models will live. Create a model to get started. So if I click build an AI model, then it's going to take me back to the builds here. And so we'll click on start free trial, and let's see. Okay, so your free trial is started. You can now try out the premium features. So let's do a business card reader. Okay, so let's create the app. So what this is going to do is this is going to give you a app that will take a picture. It will scan a business card. So let's run that. Okay. Okay, so when we hit this button right here, it'll scan it and then grab the information. So let's try that once. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scan the business card. I'm going to go to my pictures, and I'll just select this and see what it does when it scans my LearnTech Plus online learning graphic. So all it does is just scans the content. Okay, so let's leave the page. And then thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.